What is forest in Korean? Forest in Korean is
숲, 숲,
again. Forest in Korean is
숲.
How do we write soup in Hangul? This is composed of one syllable with 3 characters. So in order to write this, we need to draw a siot character, followed by an u character, followed by a piep character. Again, that's siot, u, and piep. And then we just need to combine these 3 characters to write soup in Hangul.
And with that you've already learned what is forest in Korean. Now, let's take the previous word quiz. What is painter in Korean? Painter in Korean is
화가, 화가.
Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here. At Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.